Coffee 8-spoke asterisk. Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about coffee. Coffee is one of the most popular drinks in the world. Many people drink coffee every day, especially in the morning. It helps them feel awake, relaxed, and ready for work. Vietnamese coffee is very strong. In Vietnam, people enjoy drinking coffee with milk or sugar. Some people like to drink black coffee because it is good for their health. People often sit in cafes to talk and enjoy coffee with friends, and they can do that all day. At any time of the day, every coffee shop always has people sitting and enjoying coffee or working on laptops. Coffee has a nice smell and a rich flavor. I don't drink coffee a lot, but sometimes when I go to the coffee shop with my friends, I also drink coffee with condensed milk. It makes me feel awake. Leave a comment and tell me, do you like coffee? Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.